You might know about these like four different kind of dynamics over there about the knowledge model. This is called a knowledge model for digital economy. Okay, the fourth one is the wisdom over there. Okay, so wisdom is that is the last stage, or it is the highest stage of your data. What are the characteristics of digital economy? What are the feature? How we can know it? Okay, so like if you say the first one is called economical aspects, then social aspects, cultural aspects, and business aspect. Four aspects we have it. Okay, so first we will see the economical aspects of the digital economy, that how the digital economy affect or the characteristics of the economy. So new production factors in the digital economy, we have digitalized and network information knowledge through the internet. Okay, major economic value means knowledge and information. So the economic value is the knowledge and information we gain it. New economic revolution through new added value, like a reduction of transaction and search cost. So searching becomes easy for us. Industrial economy, diminishing return scale. Okay, and digital economy is increasing return to the scale. So it means one economy is growing up and another economy is going down. So this called one is digital economy is on the high scale, it is increasing day by day. And they say that initially huge initial development cost it has, network effects also, first mover advantages. If you move first into this industry in the economic digital business, you will be the winner over there, just like iPhone they did it, and the Apple did it, and but the Dell was a competitor, he did not do anything. The Sony Ericsson could not do anything over there. So the first mover it will be in the advantage over there. And the center of management is the mission oriented, so it should be a mission oriented. So this is like a economical aspect of the digital economy. Okay, second is the social aspect, that how socially it affects you. Like for example, intensively interlinked due to the advancement of ICT. ICT is highly involved with the digital economy over there. They make things accessible. Things are very accessible to you. Like with a single click, you can pay anything, you can buy anything, you can order anything. Okay, so the accessibility is the most important thing over there. Process, transfer, and store regardless of the location and or time. So without any location and time, you can do many things. So society has been changed over there. Organization can be linked to a variety of enterprise through the electronic marketplace. Now see, the organization are linked through different electronic marketplace. Some the people are like, you can see the example of eBay, you can see the example of souk.com. So and there are a series of innovations like working methods, business processes are being changed over there. Daily life has been changed. So this is a social aspect. See, leisure time has been changed, and all other aspects of the life is changing. So series of innovations are coming over there. Now before, like for example, if even you're in your like in 2 or 3 years, if you see your life, before it was only people were for social media, they were using only the Facebook, and then many things, Twitter come, TikTok comes, Instagram comes. So many things, many innovations are coming on a daily basis over there, or on like a monthly basis. And social networking side, million of users they have it. Like the integration of the daily practices are being done over there, and sharing any part of the organization information knowledge with our organizational members and the customers we have it. So sharing becomes easier with the organization, information becomes easier, and with a single click you can access the information which is stored in a Riaz database, which is stored in the Jeddah database, or wherever it is stored, you can easily without any restriction of the location. So this is the social aspect of the digital economy.